Hi everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to add music in CapCut. So for that, first thing is you open the CapCut application on your mobile device. Tap open the application. So once you open the CapCut, you need to select a video or photo to which you want to add the music in CapCut. So I'm just gonna open a random video over here to which I want to add music. Tap on new project and select a video or a photo. Tap that, then tap on add on the bottom right. So once you're at the edit section of CapCut, you need to tap on audio just beside the edit from the bottom menu. You tap on audio. This will give you the another few options to which you will be able to add the music. So there are options sound, effect, extracted, record. These are the options to which you want to add the music. If you tap on sound, you will be able to select the TikTok original sound. If you have some favorite sound, you can save it over here and from there you can select those sound. And in top you will have all these options like vlog, pop, beats. There are a few more options. Likewise, if you tap on the file section, you will be able to add the sound or extract the sound from your own device. You can add the music that is in your devices. Similarly, tapping on the fire icon, you will be able to add the music that is mostly recommended or mostly in use in CapCut. Likewise, the bookmark option, if you have the favorite sound, you can add it over here and from here you will be able to select it to the video. So from here, I'm just gonna go and select a random one, then tap on that song. You will also see the song play. You tap on plus icon and here you will be able to drag and long press to make the changes in the music. If you tap on the song section, you will be able to edit this as well with the option given below. You can see all the options. Now if you tap on extracted, you will be able to extract the audio from your mobile device, and if you tap on record, you can record a song right now and add this for the video. So these are the way how you can add it to the video. Once you have added this song and made the required edit, you tap on the export icon on the top right. This will save the edit and the changes that you have made on CapCut video. So this is the way how you can add music in CapCut. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.